Hey everyone, today let's compare the Ubuntu versus the Linux Mint. Here's what I have found. Let's get started. Ubuntu is a popular open source operating system developed by Canonical. It's based on Linux and it's known for its being fast, secure, and user friendly, designed for both beginners and advanced users, and also it offers a clean interface and smooth performance. Whether you're using it for everyday tasks, programming, and even running servers, Ubuntu is completely free to download. It also comes with regular updates, strong community support, and built-in tools that makes it ideal for personal, professional, and educational use. Many users love Ubuntu for being free, secure, and easy to use. Users also praise its strong community support and great performance, especially in older computers. A few mention minor issues and download errors, but overall, Ubuntu is highly rated for its speed, reliability, and privacy-focused design. Meanwhile, is the Linux Mint. Linux Mint is a beginner-friendly Linux distribution based on Ubuntu and Debian. It's known for its stability, smooth and performance, and ease of use. And it offers a classic desktop layout, built-in media, codecs, and useful tools right out of the box. Because of this, it delivers a complete and reliable experience even on older or low-spec computers. Many users praise the Linux Mint as one of the best Linux distribution, especially for beginners coming from Windows. They appreciate the smooth performance, privacy, and familiar desktop layout. But some users find it a bit plain in appearance or less exciting compared to Linux options like Zorin OS or Ubuntu. The Linux Mint is widely seen as stable, user-friendly, and reliable operating system for everyday use. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.